I wake up early every day. Repeat with me. I wake up early every day. Good job! I brush my teeth in the morning. Say it with me. I brush my teeth in the morning. Nice! I make my bed every morning. Try it with me. I make my bed every morning. Keep going! I drink coffee in the morning. Now you say it. I drink coffee in the morning. Perfect! I eat breakfast at home. Repeat with me. I eat breakfast at home. Very good. I open the fridge. Say it out loud. I open the fridge. Great! I get dressed for work. Say it with me. I get dressed for work. Nice work! I leave the house at 8. Now you say it. I leave the house at 8. Excellent! I walk to work every day. Try it with me. I walk to work every day. Great job! I start work at 9. Say it out loud. I start work at 9. Keep it up. I check my emails. Repeat with me. I check my emails. Perfect! I write notes in my notebook. Say it with me. I write notes in my notebook. Very nice. I wash the dishes after dinner. Now you say it. I wash the dishes after dinner. Good job! I read a book in the evening. Try it with me. I read a book in the evening. Excellent! I go to bed at 10. Say it out loud. I go to bed at 10. You're doing great! I buy some fresh vegetables. Repeat with me. I buy some fresh vegetables. Great job! I wait for the bus. Say it with me. I wait for the bus. Nice! I order a cup of tea. Now you say it. I order a cup of tea. Perfect! I knock on the door. Say it out loud. I knock on the door. Keep going! I call my manager. Try it with me. I call my manager. Well done! Nice to see you today. Repeat with me. Nice to see you today. Excellent! Can you help me with this task? Say it with me. Can you help me with this task? Very good! What do you recommend? Now you say it. What do you recommend? Nice work! I really appreciate your help. Try it with me. I really appreciate your help. Perfect! I will finish this by tomorrow. Say it out loud. I will finish this by tomorrow. Great job! I usually cook dinner after work. Repeat with me. I usually cook dinner after work. You sound great! I try to plan my week on Sunday. Say it with me. I try to plan my week on Sunday. Excellent work! I sometimes take a walk to clear my mind. Now you say it. I sometimes take a walk to clear my mind. Very nice. I like to relax before I go to sleep. Try it with me. I like to relax before I go to sleep. Keep it up. I feel more confident when I practice every day. Say it out loud. I feel more confident when I practice every day. Amazing job!
If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.